How to rename a web browser bookmark on a Kindle 2. Is one of your bookmarks on your Kindle's web browser misspelled, or just too insanely long to read and understand quickly? Try renaming it. This article can teach you this trick. Steps. 1. Access the experimental web browser on a Kindle 2. This should open the web browser. 2. Press the menu button once you have entered onto your web browser. 3. Press the down arrow from the 5-way controller twice, so the bookmarks feature is selected highlighted. Press the select button in the center of the controller when this option is highlighted. 4. Locate the bookmark you'd like to rename. Use the 5-way controller to move up and down the list, and the page flip buttons on either side of the device to move back and forward a page, if your list has gotten that long. 5. Press the right arrow from the 5-way controller once. This should bring up the Edit Bookmark option selection button. 6. Press the Select button again, from the middle of the 5-way controller. 7. Type the new name for your bookmark. 8. Use the down arrow to move the selection down to the Cancel and OK buttons. If you press the down arrow key once, it'll bring you to the OK button quickly.